Hello and welcome to episode 67 of the Craving Crypto podcast. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why you shouldn't worry about the money because it will come around when it's ready. So, let's get right into this. What's up, everybody? I know this is a kind of a foreign concept for people to think about not worrying about the money, especially since we all have certain bills that need paid each month. We all have people that we are looking after or people that we love, and money is a huge part of everybody's lives. But I do want to go into some things as to why there isn't a lot circulating right now and why it's okay because it will come back around when it's ready to. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to my TradingView charts here, and I wanted to point out my analysis of the S&P 500 and the potential of it doing an ABC correction back to the major buy zone. We see a really overbought MACD and a pretty big sell signal in a lot of the main tech stocks that have been holding up the market thus far, like Apple, Nvidia, Amazon. These are all looking like they need to do really big ABC corrections. I don't know if you guys remember stellar lumens, but Amazon looks a lot like the wave that stellar lumens took clear up into the sky, and it looks like it's ready to drop. Now, this does mean that there's going to be some shifting around in the economy, but the people that own these companies already know that this is going to happen, and they've been making plans to keep creating more jobs. You have to remember that these guys are billionaires that run these companies, and although they get a lot projected onto them, a lot of hate projected onto them, you have to remember that they're still highly intelligent people that have created these companies, and they've provided a lot of value in this world. So don't think twice that they don't know that the winter is coming in their stocks, because they do. And they understand that they're going to have to probably let some people go, and that there's going to be lots of changes in our economy. But with those changes comes more prosperity as we all move towards trustless systems based on the blockchain, and we use smart contracts and all of these things that are really going to help change the world as we adapt crypto on the big picture. So I know that this sounds scary. There's the government shutdown going on right now. We've got all of these things coming full force at us at once. But I just want to remind you guys to step back, do a little bit of meditation, some breathing, and remember that we've had a lot of similar experiences like this in the past. Back when everybody thought the world was going to end because of the magic year 2000 and all the computers would get this glitch and it would end. Back in the, when everybody's worried that the Mayan calendar 2012, the world is going to end, So we've seen this cycle over and over again, and people react really strongly to fear. So what I believe is happening is there's a shift from standard tech stocks into cryptocurrency, digital gold, at a time where there's economic fear and uncertainty. So this is really, really good for people that are in crypto and interested in crypto right now. This shares and sheds a lot of light and hope into the cryptocurrency market cycle. So this isn't something that I would be fearful of right now. I know that that's the natural state of mind that your body tries to go into, especially with the government shutdown and all the things layering on top of it right now. But I want you guys to step back, watch a little bit less news right now until things blow over, spend some time with your family, breathe, and remember that life is a cycle and that whatever is intended to happen will. And whatever we see happen in the world markets will be positive for the crypto markets, especially if the drop that I see coming happens. Because that money has to go somewhere. And I just want you guys to remember that we have been investing in the future for a long time. And trend analysis, the winners bet on continuation. So if you want to be a winner in cryptocurrency and in a lot of the undervalued stocks, like in the cannabis, there's a lot of undervalued cannabis stocks right now. be a winner and bet on the big picture. Yeah, downsize on some of these Silicon Valley tech stocks if you own them, like the Netflix, the Apples, the Nvidias. These are all looking like they need to do some correction. Downsize on your S&P hold, but get ready to buy the dip and think in terms of continuation in the stock market after the correction. Think in terms of continuation with these tech stocks. With the cannabis stock market, there's a lot that are still undervalued. And in the stock market, there's a lot of penny stocks or companies that people aren't as aware of that are undervalued right now too. And then you've got stuff like silver, gold, wheat, commodities that are great stores of value because people need them to survive. And I personally bet on the future. I'm an investor, so I believe that tomorrow will be better than today, even if there's some shakiness, panic, and fear along the way. So I want you guys to keep that mindset, keep the mindset of continuation, understand that there's been doomsdayers since the beginning of time. And I'm not saying it's not possible, because obviously everything could hit the fan. I'm aware of that potential outcome. But based on trend analysis in crypto, based on trend analysis and commodities being so undervalued right now, the money is going to be made. There's going to be jobs created. There'll be places where people can work and function. I believe that we'll move towards a lot more automation and things so that humans can work towards more beautiful things like art. And I believe that we'll move towards a very, very beautiful world to come. So don't be fearful. I know that that's a natural state of mind, especially since we're in the depression phase of the market cycle with Bitcoin. You're going to feel a lot more fear in the depression phase, and you may feel a little bit depressed about your decisions, the choices that you've made, the consequences that you're facing. But again, you guys, life has consequences. Choices and actions are mistakes, and all we can do is learn from them. And I believe that there will be a brighter future ahead. So that's what I'm here to tell you guys. Don't stress about the money. Trust the universe, trust God, that it will come when it's ready to. I know that we all make mistakes, and I know that we all have struggles every single day. But put it into the hands of God and trust that life and the codes that life lives by will give back to you. Even if you can't trust the media or maybe even some of the people around you, trust the mathematical codes that created life. Because math and life and the creation and the expansion and the growth of life are all very correlated. So I know that there's a time of lots of distrust. Cryptocurrency creates a system of trustlessness. So I am putting my trust in codes and in God, and I'm advising you guys to do the same. Well, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a registered financial advisor. I'm giving you guys my perspective on the cryptocurrency markets so that you guys can make your own financial decisions based on that afterwards. But I will say that I encourage you guys to trust the codes that created life and trust the continuation fractal. So that's my video for you. I know that it was a little bit different than what you're probably used to. Just quick, short, simple, sweet, straight to the point. I see a lot of potential in Ethereum. I see a lot of potential in the entire cryptocurrency markets. Go into coinsignals.trade. You guys can find some beautiful, beautiful tools here for doing your total market cap analysis. If you guys are not in the Discord, please click the links in the description of this video. Get yourself inside of the Discord. You can join in for free, but the VIP content is exclusive. So I know I made a statement previously about my content being free, and I'm still standing by that. What I am doing, though, is I'm making the group exclusive. I only want the coolest people on earth inside of this group. So what I'm going to do is create a giveaway. So comment down below on this video, just say your name and why you want to be part of the VIP group, and I will comment back and reply to you with options and instructions for getting inside of my VIP group for free. I'm going to pick somebody from the comments in every single episode and give away one free VIP. So this is going to be really awesome for my community and for you guys. Anybody that's already a VIP member, if you're a 1-year VIP member, whenever your subscription runs out, you can upgrade into the lifetime, but the VIP is exclusive right now. So I'm not taking direct sales. If you have a friend that wants to get in, you can refer your friend to VIP and you will make 100% of the VIP profit off that sell. So I'm still letting people come inside, but it's hard to get in right now, and I'm doing that on purpose because I want to do more free content. I'm doing a lot in the VIP group right now, and I'm helping them with everything, and I'm going to continue to do that, but I want to release more stuff for the general public and give more giveaways and make every single day Christmas here on HAI. So that's what I'm doing. Comment down below. I'll pick one winner from the comments, and I'll give you guys information on getting inside of the VIP group so you can start profiting. I'm also taking lots of suggestions right now. So if you guys have any suggestions for the VIP or for my YouTube channel, please comment down below. I will check that out as well. The total market cap is looking exactly like the perfect little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave ABC correction that we all love and know so well. A, B, C. We've got a nice subwave count for it. Zooming in, you've got a weekly inverse head and shoulders forming. We are extremely oversold on the MACD and curling, and we have bullish divergence that was created from the histogram on the MACD. So I see a lot of really good things coming for the total market cap. Today I woke up and Bitcoin was up about 4%, and I believe Ethereum was up pretty nicely too. Now we're starting to see a little bit of panic off of that. We'll see over the week. On the short term, I wouldn't be surprised if we drop back down and do some type of a double bottom. But on the long term, these are all setting up, and you should be greedy. If you have extra money left over, be greedy on the long term with your crypto right now, because this is a really great time to be accumulating and to be buying. Not even just accumulating. I know that when I say that, people are sick of hearing that, but I'm serious. Like, if you have something that's worth money and you can trust yourself in the future, and not even yourself, trust the codes that life lives by, sell it. If you don't necessarily need it, put some money in crypto, you guys. If you have something you can get rid of and you can put it in, I know that it sounds crazy because everybody just lost so much money, but I know what's about to happen, and I want to make sure that as many people in the general public are getting in on this while they can, because I want you guys to become wealthy. I want you to have a taste of what it's like to be able to not stress about your finances. And I know that we all have times that we do. I made a video way back, and said that I would never have to worry about money again. I haven't had to worry about money, but I have had to stress and rethink what I'm doing and grow because of it. I don't have the capital that I wish I had right now. I don't have the money that I wish I had right now in cryptocurrency. But I'm trusting the codes that I live by. I'm trusting the codes that the world lives by. And I'm letting the cycle play as it will. So I hope this gives you guys some hope. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. And as always, stay profitable out there. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.